irritation. They say lige pas brûlé. You get it. So there's no eye irritation, no skin irritation.
The smoke is not harmful.
The smoke is not harmful to your skin or for your eyes. You know, after you use it, some people water coming up. You don't have it with this. Yeah, you don't have it. No irritation. You see, it's iron.
Yeah, iron.
Yeah. For industrial welding, this is the best.
Jangan simple je. Kau ini sih. Kasi lagi deh.
See the other one, huh?
Ya, jadi bawa tu kan laki si tamu je, ini tamu. Kau masih menunggu ini tu.
See, it's iron completely.
Sometimes they mix.
With the other things.
Right.
This you don't have it. This
When you
is
do it, not good.
yeah. Let him try it when we see.
Dua jangan.
Iron to iron. You don't get. That's great.
Dong.
That's great.
Indian?
Good.
Ya.